Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a dishonest dealer sells his goods at 30% profit. Friends, selling goods at 30% profit means selling 1000 grams for rupees 1300. Friends, but by using a false weight, he is giving only 800 grams for a kg. So friends, here he is giving only 800 grams but taking money for 1000 grams, that is 1300. Friends, this is cost price, this is selling price. Here the profit is 500. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100 friends. So 0 zeros cancel. 8 6 is 48, 20, 8 2 16, 0.4, 40, 8 5 is 40, 62.5% profit friends. Thank you.